Yes, tama ka. Kasama ko ngayon si Sheila. Sheila, congratulations on securing that win today. You know, your team's attacks have been exceptional today. So can you tell me what was key to your success in that area?
Ano ulit? Siguro yung makinig lang kami kay coach, tapos kailangan namin mag-usap sa loob ng court kung saan namin i-set up yung pag na-misreceive, ganyan. Kailangan meron na kami agad na plan kung paano i-set sa kapwa namin na spiker.
Yes, and tama ka dyan, you know, next game day, it's not gonna be an easy task. So you will be going up against an even tougher team, that's PNP. So how will you prepare and improve on your performance today to prepare for that match?
Siguro mag-training pa kami sa coming na mga games, tapos ihahanda namin yung self namin sa susunod na laro at iti-train namin yung mga namimiss pa namin mga skills at kailangan consistent sa lahat ng mga ginagawa at saka kailangan makinig palagi kay coach.
Thank you for that, Sheila. And once again, congratulations. If there's anyone you want to give a shout out to, family, friends, office mates.
Ayan, binabati ko yung baby ko, si Samantha. Nasa bahay sila. Sa family Sicilia, nanonood sila. Hi sa inyo dyan. Mga kabalibol ko, sa Kabuyaw, friends, mga mother, lahat na po. Yan. Thank you.
And Sheila, dahil ikaw ang best player of the match, meron kang pa-prize from Black Mamba. Congratulations once again. Balik sa inyo, Chicky and Anne.